ready to build the website of your dreams. Let's get the core foundation for it, WordPress, downloaded and ready to go. First things first, we need to download the WordPress software. Head over to WordPress.org and look for the prominent Get WordPress button. This is where all the magic begins. On the download page, you'll find the latest, stable version of WordPress available. Click on the download link A circumflex euros. It's usually a zip file A circumflex euros, and save it to a convenient location on your computer. Think of this as gathering all the building blocks for your website. Now, this downloaded file needs to go onto your web server. Where your website will live, you'll need a way to upload files to your server, typically through an FTP client like FileZilla, or through your hosting provider's file manager. Before uploading, you'll need to unzip the downloaded WordPress file on your computer. This will reveal a folder containing all the essential WordPress core files and directories. WordPress needs a database to store all your website's content, like your posts, pages, and user information. You'll need to create a database and a database user through your hosting control panel. Don't worry. Your hosting provider usually has easy-to-follow instructions for this. With your database ready, it's time to upload the unzipped WordPress files to your web server. You'll typically upload these files to the main directory of your website, often called public HTML or htdocs. Once the files are uploaded, open your web browser and navigate to your website's domain name. WordPress will automatically detect that it's not yet installed and guide you through the final setup process, including connecting to your newly created database. This is where you'll enter the database name, username, and password you created earlier. WordPress will then configure itself and prepare for you to create your very first website administrators. And just like that, you've successfully downloaded and prepared to install WordPress, setting the stage for you to launch your new website.